another episode of the talk show. In today's GAN episode, it's part 2 of tele sales. I did explain this in the last episode what should be the kind of philosophy, attitude, and how that trickles down to your effective communication is concerned. But I felt that there's a gap between what was asked as such in terms of specifically about telephone and conversation or communication skills. That is what I'll try and address today. Alright, let's get on to business directly. And yes, this also has got 3 parts to it. Okay, the first part is obviously how you open your opening conversation. How do you open? The second thing is the language, and the third element are all the other factors that contribute and make your communication far more effective as such. The 3 areas broadly I'll speak about today. I'll try and keep it as short as possible also. Okay, so what is this opening the state, opening a conversation? What does it mean? Like, for example, in a house somebody comes, in anybody's house, a middle class family, the larger population of India is concerned, we generally don't even talk much. If you have a close family net, we just do this way, namaskar, we put out this thing, and the person just with his hand shows like this, and you enter the house, it's a warm welcome. You don't even say, you don't talk much about what has been spoken, how are you, what's life. We don't do all that. We are very more docile kind of thing. Like, we do this namaste, we smile, we have facial expressions, we have gestures, body language says come and sit, right? ये हम है. This is what we are. This is how we are made. अभी आप समझो एक international, you're working for an international company, airline company, a pharmaceutical, whatever, international. So if the telephone bell rings, I am the executive, I pick up the phone. See what happens. I pick up the phone. Yes, good morning. This is Sergeant Nair here. I am from the sales and marketing department. What can I do for you? What would you like to place an order or have a complaint? मैं सिर्फ hello बोला, and from that other end इतना लंबा चौड़ा बोला कि मुझे डर लगा कि मैं बात करूं या नहीं. Your starting statement of your phone should make your customer comfortable. That should be the idea. I'll give a very good example. It's all which you have noticed in this around your what do you call it, society itself. 20 years ago, there was an international chain of food chain company that came to India, and one of the first outlets they put up was in Bandra. I happened to be there 20 years ago. So firstly, there's a beautiful interiors done up, air conditioned and all. You walk into it, you walk into the counter. As you reach the counter, the person is wearing a hat, cap and all. We're not used to all these things. He wears a cap and all, t-shirt and things like that, and he says, good evening sir, how are you, how's life, welcome to McDonald's, what can I do for you, would you like to have a burger or a pizza? My goodness, इतना बोल दिया, मेरा भूख जो था पूरा मिट गया. मैं टेंशन में आ गया, अभी क्या खाऊं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से उनका इंटेंशन जो था मेरे को वेलकम करने का, वो सही था. वो चाहता था कि मैं उनके पास जाऊं और बात करूं. लेकिन the way I am brought up in India, the way we are, I'm not saying we are wrong. I am trying to say is that it doesn't fit into a culture. That is not the way we welcome. That is the point I'm trying to say. That same company, McDonald's, did understand it, and lately, a year ago when I walked in, what do they do now? How do they do it? You walk into their restaurant, you reach up to them, they do this way. And they do this way, and they're quiet. They don't say anything from their word, and they expect the customer to say, I want a burger, ye milega kya, wo milega kya, and they place the order. Jaisa desh, vaisa vesh. So when you're opening your statement, you can always say, good morning, this is Sajan, ruk jao. देखो क्या बोल रहा है, मैडम है या सर है, देखो. उसके बाद then say, जी हाँ मुझे दवाई खरीदना है, yes मैडम ज़रूर हो जाएगा, और then you can continue your conversation. So I would say don't go the beaten record that you are रट्टा मारा आपने 5-6 लाइन. आप वो बोलोगे स्टार्टिंग में ही, जो कस्टमर खरीदना चाहता था वो आपके साथ रिलेशन नहीं बना पाएगा. तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके लेना. गुड मॉर्निंग, बी courteous, be down to earth, you are service oriented. At the same time, the sole idea of the starting of a conversation is to make your customer comfortable. Simple? Is that clear? Second point is that language. I have learned in English medium school. I have gone to English big college and learned my subjects in English, graduation in English. I did my masters in English. I am working for international company. I am working, so I speak only English. नहीं चलेगा. तो आप कौन सी भाषा बात करोगे? आप वो सब कुछ करोगे, जैसे कि कल मैंने बोला था फिलॉसफी में, आप वो भाषा बात करोगे which is gives comfort to your customer, to an extent that if the customer speaks Gujarati and you are aware of broken Gujarati also, to build a relation, to build a confidence, speak in broken Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi or French, whichever language you know, that can comfort the customer. The customer is the king. This is how you will prove to the customer, you matter to me. Once you built up the relations, once you all know each other, then you all can go both and go into an area of language which is comfortable for both of you all. तो अगर आपको रिलेशन बढ़ाना हो और सामने वाला बंदा मराठी में बात करता हो, तो आपको मराठी में स्विच करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए. That is a simple thing. Not that you know English, so I am working for international company, so I only speak in English. This is a wrong approach to your work called salesman. The third one, and the third one is the other factors. The other factors, in a sense, your facial expression, your body language, okay, your mood when you're speaking, the way you put up your point, the thrust that you've given, all matters. I'll tell you why. It's a very interesting thing. I was working for an international airline in Dubai, and they had a department called service audit. दो बंदे लोग सुबह 7 बजे को बैठ जाते थे पेपर लेकर, तभी मैनुअल था. और what they used to do is that their job was to only call up all the branch offices of the airline throughout the world. That was their job. And do what? They will call up the branch office in Sri Lanka, okay? They will see when how many rings was the phone picked up. They'll make a mark of that. When the phone was picked up, how did the person greet? Or good morning, how was it? Was it effective? What was it soothing to the ear? वो भी mark करते हैं. What was the mood of the customer, of the executive? How did she sound? What was the mood? Was she happy? Was she excited? What she was welcoming? वो भी टिक किया जाता था. इतना तक भी नहीं. We should also see the fact that how she responded and what was the effect of her response. Was she wearing a smile? देखो फोन पर था, लेकिन we make a point there. We have 2 columns. Was she wearing a smile? Yes or no. We get that in the conversation when you speak, even though we don't see. And this analysis, this database used to get collected, okay? They used to understand it, they used to read it, understand it, and then restructure their customer service programs and training programs to be better in their service delivery. तो सोच के देखो आपका कम्युनिकेशन कहाँ तक जाता है, आपका मूड कैसा है अभी, आपका फेस पे स्माइल है कि नहीं, ये सारे चीज़ें contributes to your overall communication skill or overall giving the message to the customer. And it is real, huh? It's not something that I'm saying out of the world. It's real. This is what companies do. Service audit कहते हैं इसको. तो अगर उस हद तक जाना है आपको, तो you have to train yourself. मैं फिर से दोहरा रहा हूँ, मैं आपको ऐसा बता सकता हूँ थियरी ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये है, वो है. End of the day, communication is an acquired skill. पाया जाता है. तो आप मेरे जैसे और लोगों से आप टिप्स ले सकते हो, देख सकते हो, आप खुद you yourself can practice it, experiment it, and then tell yourself, this is the way I would like to go myself. Now also, at this point also, if somebody is not following what I'm saying, what I would say is that make 6 questions, standard questions. Good morning, how are you, sir? I'm Sergeant Nair. What do you want? Which product would you like to have? What is your price range? When do you want the delivery? And thank you very much, sir. I'll get back to you. I'll write you an email and I'll give you a call. ऐसा 6 क्वेश्चंस बनाओ जो कि आपको हेल्प करे कस्टमर का नीड क्या है पता करने के लिए. एपिसोड 1 से, ठीक है, जो मैं नीड बोला था, तो नीड पता करने के लिए आप 5-6 क्वेश्चंस बोलो, रट्टा मार लो उसको. छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस बनाओ, ग्रामेटिकली एरर्स नहीं होना चाहिए. उसे पूरी तरह से बहाट कर लो और फिर जाकर स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. It takes 3 months, guys. Within 3 months, you'll master the trade. That is what you've got to do for communication. All right? 3 parts to it. One is making the customer comfortable. Second is language. And third, working on all aspects, including facial expression, body language, your way of your vocabulary, your sentence formation, working on everything together, which makes an impact. Okay, the next, that's the 3rd of July, we will have Miss Shilpa Borkar, the placement officer of GICD. We will be speaking about education industry and tourism. How do they have a connect? All right. So you all are welcome for that particular episode. And the following Friday from then, I will put up a video on Gyan on how to approach your job in sales. So that series will get over. So how can, if you're a new person, join the sales industry or selling anything for the matter, how should you approach practically your job, and how can you, whatever I did, I can tell you all so that you all can have your own guiding book. You can do it better. All right. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe. Okay. That motivates us. And see you and bye-bye.
To the service industry, and what your guest wants is the most important thing. The customer is always right. He is the king. If he says west is east, west is east. You do not argue. Marketing mix, there are 4 P's. If you will commonly search, you will see that the marketing mix, even Google search you right now also, you will see marketing mix 4 P's come up. But for service, there are 7 P's. There is another additional P of packaging, which is the 8th P. So when we talk to our kids about marketing and marketing mix, we don't talk about the 4 P's, but we talk to them about the 8 P's because it's most essential.
Be connected with us. Like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.